names of the lands we can often use India and Bharat. And finding out about the past from the good sources like manuscripts, inscriptions and archaeologist sources. So one thing we can remember here, the first inscriptions provided are available in the northwest places, Afghanistan's present day. The place is Kandahar. There, the inscriptions was written in 2250 years ago. This inscriptions has two language scripts like Greek and Arabic languages, and also the name of our country's kings like Ashoka, Maurya's empire, Ashoka and other kings' names mentioned there. It is says about our countries and that northwest places, countries, people, relationships and everything. So already we discussed who are the archaeologists in last class. They studies about the past things or objects. It means that were made in past, that were used in past. So they studies about those objects. We call them archaeologists. Archaeologist studies those things, physical structures, how it made and what it made and why it used in ancient people. All these things they detective like and study about those things, objects or instruments like tools, weapons, pots, coins, buildings, sculptures, whatever it may be. They all them collect and studies and give the sources, help to now knew about their past days people lifestyle. So it is also helps to us. And then they find out the bones of animals like persons or fish or birds, whatever it may be. It is help to know about what the people ate in that time and what was their life in that time. All these things knew about these objects. And in your textbooks here, children, see here, look a pot here. This pot made with mud and ancient people draw a design on this pot. It was made in 4700 years ago, particularly in northwest places like where we can find out the first cities arised in Harappa. So nowadays we can find out this one pot, their exhibition. Then here both are silver coins. These are silver coins. These silver coins used the ancient people in 2500 years ago, and this is also in fact on our nowadays we can use the coins with symbols, our country symbols like that. So all these things help to us knew about the past days. So and also historians. Who are historians? Who the scholars who studies about the past. It means they analyze the past and they gain a knowledge about the past. We call them historians. They studies about, they first collect all the sources from manuscripts and inscriptions and archaeology source. All the sources collected and started the study about them and get a knowledge about the past days. Oh, how it is and how it was happened. All these things clarified. They wrote in their textbooks or historian books. Historians books. They with clues and evidence. These are called like detective. Archaeologists or historians, we call them detective like because they collect all the clues and sources and other materials, they clarified, they exact get evidence when they start about the resources. Then one cause or many. Here one cause or many. On your here in your textbook in front page we noticed this word fasts. Fasts. This word in plural. It means the fast was happened in different ways. It means one group of people to another group of people. It happened in different ways, in differences we can find out there. So the people, one group of people, ancients, their habits or practices like that, their religious beliefs, their lifestyle, their food, whatever it may be, different in one group to another group. It is also true because nowadays, for example, Andaman and Iceland places people by hunting, fishing, and they eat produce of forest. All these things same way. But nowadays we can find out the differences between one country to other countries and state to other states like Rajasthan and Gujarat. Whatever it may be states, we can have so many differences in our cultural or our food or our clothes, whatever it may be. We have so many differences. So like that, this is the same way in past days life. People like to, now in present days people likes have so many differences, but same things happened in past days, in present days. And then another one is what do dates mean? Here BC and AD. We classified suddenly someone asked to you when was you born or when was you celebrate your first birthday, what is the date today, whatever it may be. If asked to you, you easily say this today's date 4/8/2020, like that. Your birthday date, month and year, you were born in this date, all these things. But how we can find out and how we get this year and date and months, all these things, when in ancient time the founder of the Christianity, Christ, when he was born, that time the people classified the years, because before Christ year, before common era we called and AD after Christ Anno Domini. It means Anno Domini. This word came from or derived from the Latin word. It is common era. Present days we can use this era 2020 like this. So these are the difference between before birth of Christ, after birth of Christ. So like that we classified these eras and it is help to know about the past days. And we exact find out it was happened, it is happened. This is most useful. Year, month, year and dates, whatever it may be. So all these things knew about the past days people life. Then here let us recap what we learned from in first chapter. What can we know about the past? What can we know about the past? In this point, the ancient people live in forest. They gather what they eat and what they wore, and also in this point where did the people live? The particularly their basic need is water, because they started on the bank of rivers like Gangas and Indus, Sindhu river, its tributaries. So people started gather there and started their life there. So why do people travel? When the people started on the bank of rivers, live there, but they faced some natural disaster and others problems faced there, and so they wanted to escape to one subcontinent to other subcontinent, because they can find out their new life or new move to one place to another place. And some are travel for a reason for trading, and somewhere travel for some kings conquered the another place. Whatever it may be, reason caused the people traveled in that time. They find out the some subcontinents and they gave the names India and other countries. They find out all in this world. So name of the land, our country, how we can often used India and Bharat in this point. Then finding out about the past. Finding out about the past, it is very important, because we didn't live when we study about the past, because we can got so many things and we can adapt in our nowadays. These things most helpful, because like that manuscripts, inscriptions and archaeologist sources are most useful and focus on our today's life. Then one past or many, it means one past, what is the difference of one group people to another group of people. So it is help us so many differences and so many ways in one past, like that. So what do dates means? Already we discussed here. Common era and before Common era, we called it before Common era, BCE, and CE is Common era, or we can also use the AD and BC, this point. All these things help us in we knew about the past days people lifestyle, and it is also most helpful to our present life. So this is the reason we must and should study history. So in first lesson said what did happen, where did happen, how did happen, and when it happened. All these things new from this subject, social science. It means social, the people's lifestyle, that is studied in exact, particularly in the science way, because we can get so many evidence, sources, all these things help to when we study about the history. So thank you, children. One thing, next I will give MCQ questions and short answers, 1 marks for 1 marks. So we will copy in pair book. This is the today's homework.